Hello and welcome. Today we'll be taking a look at the wet and dry vacuum cleaner RWWDVC12. Before we begin our video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Here's what the shipping box will look like as it arrives on your doorstep. As you can see, it has the picture of the product on the box, along with the logo and information number. It also features the carton size, quantity, as well as all the information about it on the side. It is a 500-watt vacuum cleaner as well. The 12-litre capacity ensures dirt, dust or dirty water is collected effectively for all-round pristine clean. There is an elegant and simple on-off switch located on the top. Let's unbox the product. The vacuum is ideal for a variety of cleaning jobs, including carpet, wood, laminate, car valets, workshops and upholstery. It also features a double filtration system, separating the captured dirt into fine, coarse elements for maximum efficiency and a thorough clean. Here is everything the item comes with. It comes with attachment to be able to get into small crevices, hoovering. It also comes with a wide attachment for large surface areas. It comes with a 1.25 meter flexible tube. It also has a clip on the end to be able to so it doesn't get pulled out of the machine. It also features 3 solid tubes. It also has an ergonomic handle with 2 screws. It also features 4 wheels for extra mobility. Here is part of the filter. It has instructions on the end of the filter provided, so in case you lose the full instruction manual, you still have a bit of a clue for what to do. A piece of foam for the filter is also provided as well. Finally, the instruction manual is also provided. Along with it comes in a plastic slip to keep it safe. The RocwooD RWWDVC12 is a heavy-duty wet and dry vacuum cleaner. Its 500-watt electric motor makes cleaning capable of tackling the most demanding cleaning jobs. Weighing only 7 kilograms, its upright cylinder design is easy to maneuver. The stainless steel tank will stand up to your rugged demands. With the added ergonomic handle and 4 wheels, it allows the vacuum to glide smoothly across the floor for maximum mobility. The product also comes with a 12-month domestic user warranty. Business or continuous use will validate any warranty. The product features a range of attachments, such as 3 poles, a little tube to be able to suck things up, as well as the big white handle. The product opens by the 2 latches on the side of it, and the lid just falls straight off. Here is what the filter fully assembled looks like. Thank you for watching our YouTube video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click on any other videos if they take your fancy.